Okay, in this video I'll be teaching you how to do a hand takeoff and a hand catch. And now I'll be honest guys, I think ever since I started flying my Mavic Air 2, I always let the drone land because it's quite a big drone, and I got my Mini 2 and I was never really sure catching it, so I've always made that land as well. But I think especially out here in Spain we got a lot of dust and it does get sucked up into the motor, so hand launching it, and especially the ground around is pretty rough as well. It's pretty stony, so hand catching and hand takeoff is got its things. But what I will express straight away, if it's windy, don't do it. And if you haven't flown a drone before in your life, don't do it. Get yourself confident with the drone first. Anyway, let's get straight on with it. So the first thing we're going to do is obviously turn on the controller. Go turn on the drone. Now always guys, make sure your face is away from those props. And just let it load up. What I'm going to do as well, I'm going to put it on the screensaver as well, so you can see what I'm doing on the screen as well. We're just waiting until the red button on the controller turns green, because then we know it's connected. And I'm having this thing lately where I think I've turned the drone on and I actually haven't turned the drone on. Make sure you, when you press the power on, you do it, double click it, but make sure you hear that sound. You've got the lights flashing now. You've got the green connector on the screen now, so you know it's connected now. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to put on the screen record. So that's on as well. The home point has been updated. So it's all ready for a takeoff as well. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to put it in the palm of my hand, my right hand. Now I'm left-handed, and what we want to do is just press the auto takeoff button, which comes up on the screen. Just keep it out in front of you. And just step away, making sure you don't fall over any boulders. And that's it. And it's as simple as that. It's a nice smooth takeoff. So to hand catch it, just bring the drone down with your left hand on the thingy. And that's it virtually. And you don't need to cut the motors, it does it for you. So we just do it again quickly. So palm of your hand, auto takeoff on your left side of your screen. Just press that. Press the takeoff. And just walk away from it. It's simple as that. And to bring it back down with the left stick, just come underneath it. Here it comes. Just let go of the stick and the motors are cut. What you want to do as well, guys, to make it even safer, just turn off the power of the drone. So then you know there's no way it's going to take off, especially when it's close to you. And also, just turn off the screen. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to stop the screen save. And we'll just turn off the controller, so we know it's completely safe. So that's it. It's a simple thing, and I know if you're doing it for the first time, it's a little bit nerving, but like anything else, it's practice. And honestly, when it's taken off, guys, just keep your hand out, and it'll take off. So, hope you found that interesting. If you got any methods that you do as well, I mean, when I bring it back in, I just let go of the stick and the motor's cut. I have found if I bring the stick in, it doesn't seem to cut it straight away, but if I just leave the stick when it lands, it turns off straight away. But as always, fly safe. If you're not sure of it, guys, then don't do it. But sometimes there's circumstances where you probably need to hand launch it and hand catch it. Catch you next time.